exercise make you strong.
You want to take my hat off?
Having too much fun with Cookie Monster here.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, Eric.
Strong
Eric.
heartbeat.
Take my hat off. You want to do it? Eric.
You must be very healthy.
Come here. I know you wanted to grab it before. Hey. You want to take it out?
I don't like it.
Okay. I'll just do it. Eric.
I think
Ready?
I'm missing another. I can't put this drink back on yet.
How do you think of Mommy's hair? You don't know what to think, huh? Oh. You gonna touch it?
Whoops, I'm missing another train track. Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
You're gonna need that, Mom.
Put it back on, Mommy.
Okay, I'm missing another train track.
Oh, okay.
That good?
Yeah.